Are you looking for the best SDS drills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best SDS drills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Einhell Herocco Brushless SDS Plus Cordless Impact Drill. German tool brand Einhell are making waves with their latest range of power exchange 18-volt battery-powered tools. Their take on the cordless SDS drill is the impressive Herocco Brushless SDS Plus. It's a powerful and compact hammer drill that comes in an excellent hard case. There's a nicely ergonomic rear handle on the drill and plenty of soft thermoplastic for decent grip. The same goes for the large front handle, an essential accessory when you're drilling through hard materials. The big brushless motor on board puts out 5,500 BPM and 2.2 joules of energy per impact. Einhell classed this drill to have 4 functions, rather than the standard 3. There's drill only, hammer drill, and then chiseling with and without lock. This means you can lock a chiseling bit at a precise angle for effective braking. The drill takes its power from Einhell's Exchange line of batteries, boasting more than 250 different cordless tools in their arsenal. Once you've bought into their system, you've got your pick of tools for the home and garden. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt D25133K GBSDS Plus 3-mode hammer driver. One of my favorite power tool brands is US-based DeWalt. They're easily one of the most used names by professionals and DIYers across the world. Their D25133K SDS Plus hammer drill is a well-designed and tough tool. Starting with the ergonomics, DeWalt have sculpted the hand grip superbly. It fits comfortably in the hand, and the top lip portion helps you grip with your thumb and forefinger much more easily. The rubberized grip helps to keep down vibration as well. It's not overly heavy at 2.6 kilograms, but it still packs a mighty punch. The front grip is comfortable and easy to position where you need it. Switching between drilling modes with the selector switch comes with a nice, positive click. Specs-wise, the 800-watt motor provides up to 500 revolutions per minute and 2.6 joules of force per hammer blow. You can drill up to 26 mm holes in concrete or masonry, up to 13 mm in steel, or up to 30 mm in wood. This is another robust SDS drill that's well sealed to protect from dust intrusion. It features a decent safety clutch mechanism, and it's built to last. I love the sturdy carry case, but it's a shame that the depth stop is made of plastic. The 3rd product on our list is the Evolution Power Tools 4-function SDS hammer drill. Sheffield-based Tool Heroes Evolution Power Tools make some brilliant bits of kit, and the SDS Formanus 800 hammer drill is one of them. If you need a full kit with bits and a box, you can't go far wrong with this option for the price. Although this tool looks a bit more plasticky, it's been well put together. The trigger guard should help to keep the trigger assembly and your hand safe during use, and the rubberized portions make the grip quite comfortable. The 4-position mode selector is nice and chunky, and you can control the speed with either the trigger or the speed dial on the front of it. It's good for setting a maximum speed or using it with the lock-off switch for longer drilling or chiseling jobs. The 650-watt motor is adequate for DIY jobs and creates 100 revolutions per minute and 1.6 joules of force per impact. That's not much compared to some of the heavy-duty SDS drills on my list, but more than enough for most home users. Weighing in at 3.5 kilograms, it's not too heavy either. What makes this one of the best SDS drills for beginners is the included bits. They've thrown in 6, 8 and 10 mm drill bits and a pointed and flat chisel. Not bad at all, considering the price. Second on our list is the Bosch PBH210 Rotary hammer drill. If you want to get a solid built and reliable SDS drill from one of the most respected names in the game, the Bosch PBH210 is a handy tool to own. Making up part of Bosch's green line of DIY level tools, the specs won't beat the formidable Bosch Hammer GBH2-26, but it's also a lot less expensive. Even though this is a drill aimed at home DIYers, the build quality of all the components is surprisingly good. Everything feels solid and chunky, and the big ergonomic pistol grip fits nicely in the hand. The rubberized sections on the back should help keep vibration levels down too. You can choose 4 operation modes with the selector switch: normal drilling without hammer, hammer drilling, vario lock which allows you to adjust the rotation of a chisel bit, and hammer only mode. The trigger controls the speed of rotation or hammer action and feels reasonably solid too. The 550-watt motor produces a reasonable 300 revolutions per minute and 4,600 BPM and 1.7 joules of impact force. This isn't even close to the best SDS drill on my list, but it's still enough for most DIY jobs. You can drill holes up to 20 mm in concrete, 13 mm in steel, and up to 30 mm in wood. The PBH210 lags behind the Bosch GBH226D for impact power. But unless you're planning on using it all the time or for heavy drilling jobs, you probably don't need the extra grunt. This is a good, solid drill that only weighs 2.2 kilograms and will work hard for you for years. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ryobi R18 SDS01 Plus SDS Plus Cordless Rotary Hammer Drill. The other big Japanese tool brand, Ryobi, have been making excellent DIY level drills and saws since 1943. Their R18 SDS0 is an impressive and compact drill for anyone that needs to put holes in bricks or concrete, making good use of Ryobi's excellent 1 Plus system. If you've got any of their 18V tools, the batteries will fit this. It means you can buy their naked tools and save yourself a fair bit of money. The first thing you'll notice about this drill is how light and compact it is. Even compared to the lightweight Makita DHR242Z, this is about as feather-like as an SDS drill can get. It's nowhere near the most powerful, but if your main requirement is portability, then you can't go wrong. The 18V battery powers a brushed motor that puts out up to 300 revolutions per minute, and a not too shabby up to 5,000 BPM in hammer mode. It's a bit underpowered at just 1.3 joules per impact strike, but it's not supposed to be a heavy-duty hammer. You can drill up to 16mm in concrete, 16mm in wood, and 16mm in metal. I'm a big fan of the huge LED work light on the front of the drill. It's a generous size compared with the Bosch GBH18 VEC and lights up the work area well. If you're already a Ryobi convert and not planning on doing too much heavy work, this is a great drill to pick.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.